Well, here we are, Ice Storm 2022, and I'm going to go feed all the normal animals in this slop. And of course it's just raining and nasty. It's just kind of typical Kentucky winter weather. And I'll drop this. Here's the meal for the possum, and hopefully he'll enjoy. I usually feed him down by the burn pile. There's the burn pile, and it's very swampy down here, and so he'll have to do a little waiting to have his meal. And there's yesterday's. Whoops. Yeah, they've done a nice job of cleaning it. I'm going to dip it in the creek here real quick to kind of clean it off if I don't break my neck. Panning for gold. Alright, there it is. It's all cleaned up. Marching back out of here. Gets pretty swampy at the bottom of the hill. Alright, heading back. Heading back. Alright. Well, the deer ate about 90% of their corn and all the apples. There's the salt block. Okay, gotta let down the gotta let down the bird feeder here. This is my anti-deer device. I can do it with one hand. There we go. All right. And here it comes. Have to kind of elevate it a little bit. All right. Set that on my knee for a second. Here's where the magic happens. The milk jug on the top is an anti-squirrel device, and it works like a charm. Alright, I just put the phone in my mouth so I can put this back up, because it's a two-hand operation. Alright, let's spread some deer corn. Boy, it's mushy. Alright. There's a pile. Top that pile up. I ate this one down pretty good. And these other two, they still have some in them. Alright. Now for the deer apples. Here they are. Whoops. Dropped one while I was pulling my pants up. I doubt if these will roll today. There's one. There's two. And there's number 3. Okay. Then we're going to throw some peanuts for the woodpeckers and the blue jays and all that. There they go. Alright, and then I always throw some over here in the dead tree. That one, and a two, and a three. See, the cake looks like it's in good shape. Alright, mission accomplished. Let's head for home. And done.